Ever wondered what Golden, Colorado is like? Stay tuned. We're gonna see what's going on down the street. So I met a friend, this guy. We're in Golden, Colorado, as you can see. We're just passing through the city. Thought I'd get some shots, show you guys some of the town. Pretty cool town. We're about to head up to a diner. Founded in 1859 during the Pikes Peak Gold Rush. And, you know, it's just kind of kept its heritage, really. It's still got some of the rustic feel from those times. Just a cool city to come check out if you're in Colorado. So, what do you think? You like living here? He hasn't been talking very much this morning. It's too early. So this is the Coors Brewery line. If it was open, which it isn't due to COVID, or the situation as we'll call it, you would just stand in that line, the bus would pick you up and actually take you back over here to the factory, which is actually pretty cool to see all the stuff behind the scenes. Great tour when they started back up. If you're visiting Golden, Colorado, you definitely have to go here. It is doing some construction right now, it looks like, but usually it's pretty beautiful over here. So, and it's a good tour. Come check it out. Hey, welcome back, guys. Today we're in Golden, Colorado, and dining at the Golden Diner. So while we catch up on some of the historic monuments they have out here and some of the history, take a look at some of the food you can eat when you come and dine. Well, so we just finished eating at the diner. Delicious. I recommend it. I had the big burritos at the top of the menu. What'd you have?
I had the corned beef hash with 2 eggs.
Was it good?
It's delicious. Yes.
Cool. So, just kind of making a pit stop. This is just a short video of on our way to our next destination, but just want to give you guys a brief look at Golden. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Till next time.